Yeah, very excited. It's just kind of moving forward one step at a time, but all these steps now are pretty big steps. And so we're very pleased to have Fowler on board as a contractor doing a lot of the site prep, which will occur over the summer. And that comes with a pretty significant in-kind donation as well. So their generosity is certainly appreciated, but also the fact that a local company that has 70 years of history in Bracebridge and Muskoka can be part of this is also very special to us.
So can you tell me a bit about what Fowler is going to be doing? As I understand, they're going to be starting around September.
Um, yeah, it might be a little bit earlier than that. We really want to get that site prepared for the general contractor. So we'll be putting that that big portion of the contract out very soon and selecting a general. But this is really going to take a site that at this point has only had some of the ground cover taken off it and start to prepare it so that the main contractor can come in and hit the ground running and really be able to get going right away at erecting the building. Yeah.
Let's talk about the building itself and what's happening with that, because I know there was we're talking a bit about cost and figures, and we're really not, unfortunately, getting a lot of federal help right now. What's happening with that?
Well, we're still proceeding with our arena and community hall portion of the build. We're really looking at this as a multi-phase build with the library and the field house to come at a later date when funding is available. Certainly preferable to do it all at once would be our choice, but as we know, the ICIP grant that we applied for quite some time ago, we were informed last August that we weren't selected for that. But we always had that plan B in our pocket, which was to be able to proceed with the arena and community hall portion because we know it's critical to get an arena built quickly. The old arena has been limping along for some time now. And of course, we don't want to make major investments in an older facility when we've got a new one coming online. So we're very much looking forward to getting going on that portion of the project. And if we have an opportunity to pick up some funding along the way and allow us to do more on that project, well, I'm sure we'll take a very hard look at that.
So you said for the building itself, the contract, requests going out soon. And, as you're saying here, Fowler's is getting the site ready for next year. Is it safe to assume then that we're going to see shovels in the ground next year for the actual build?
Well, we shovels in the ground this year in 2021. We need to meet some timelines of getting this open when we want in 2023. So it's a lot of work. It's a huge contract, but we've had our project managers and our architects working on the final design components and the tendering components. So we should be able to move along pretty swiftly with this. And we've also pre-qualified contractors as well, because this is a huge job and a job where we don't want to be selecting a contractor that might seem like they're up for the task at hand, but maybe aren't. So the contractors that we've pre-qualified have long track records and successful track records of building facilities like these, ensuring that our end product is going to be top notch.